Hi, I'm Kristy and I'm an occupational therapist at SKY Rehab Hospital. I'd like to discuss aquatic therapy that's utilized by OT. While aquatic therapy may not be as recognized as part of an OT treatment program, it's a highly effective tool in the treatment of orthopedic and neurological conditions. Orthopedic conditions can include a healing fracture of the upper extremity, shoulder injury, and arthritis. The water temperature improves muscle and joint function while also providing pain relief. There's also the added benefit of increasing circulation, which can aid in the healing process. Neurological conditions can include stroke, Parkinson's disease, and other movement disorders. The water temperature can relax muscle tone and joint contracture, while the water buoyancy can allow the patient to move more freely. This may not be as easily achievable in a traditional therapy gym environment. In all cases, the goal is for the patient to increase function and independence. At SKY Rehab Hospital, OT can provide aquatic therapy in a supervised environment with a treatment program that's tailored to the patient's specific needs.